Good morning, friends. Namaskar. Myself, Savita Tamaria, physiotherapist, presently working as an assistant professor in Banarsi Das Chandiwala Institute of Physiotherapy. It is one of the premier institutions in physiotherapy teaching and training, and it is managed under the aegis of Shri Banarsi Das Chandiwala Seva Samarak Trust Society. As we all are locked down in our houses because of the outbreak of coronavirus, and lockdown in our houses clearly means we have to work from home, which means that we have to work on our laptop from minimum 7 to 8 hours, which lead to various problems, and the main problem is your neck. Our neck is get affected. So here in my video, I would like to share the few exercises which will help to ease out your neck pain. So before starting the exercises, I would like to give you a simple tip that while working on a laptop, try to keep your laptop at the level of your eyes. If not possible at the level of your eyes, because we have a different ergonomical setup at our home, try to keep your laptop at the level of the elbow. This will help to ease out your neck pain. Now we will start with the exercises. So I have divided the exercises into the 4 phases: warm up phase, active range of motion exercises, stretching exercises, and strengthening exercises. So let's start with the warm up phase. Warm up session is quite important for every exercises, because if our muscles are already very tight and if we do not perform the warm up, it will lead to injury of those muscles. So before starting any type of exercises, please do the set of 1 or 2 warm up exercises. So for the neck, we have to do the shoulder shrugs. In shoulder shrugs, we have to raise our shoulder, hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Move it forward clockwise and then relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then relax. Then same exercises in a backward position. Hold it for the 5 seconds and then this. Do 5 repetition with a hold of 5 seconds anti-clockwise, and then same is a clockwise. Next set of exercises for the warm-up is keep your hands just above your shoulder and try to move your shoulder like this. Clockwise 5 times. 2, 3, 4, 5. And then same exercises anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We progress to second set of exercise, that is your normal range of motion exercises. Normal range of motion exercises may we usually do bring your head downwards and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring it to the neutral position. Take your head backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring it to the neutral position. Turn your head towards one side, left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring it to the neutral. Then towards the opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring it to the neutral. There is one set of exercise in the normal range of motion exercise, that is your side flexion, which I am especially making a note in this. While performing the side flexion, most of the patients will do so I am telling the side flexion exercise separately, because while performing the side flexion, most of the patient do mistakes. So for side flexion, we have to bring our ear towards our shoulder like this. Hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then bring it to the neutral position. Again towards the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and bring it to the neutral. Now most of the patient make the mistake. They shrug their shoulder upward like this and then try to touch ear with the shoulder like this. So please don't do this mistake, as it will not help any exercises and it will also help to create a trick movements. Then we progress to next set of exercise, that is your stretching exercise. So there are mainly 3 muscles which got affected while we are working on a laptop: the front neck muscles, the side neck muscles, and the back neck muscle. So for the front side neck muscles, like for example the traps, so we will do the stretching of traps. For this, suppose we want to stretch the traps of left side, we have to turn our head towards the opposite side, and we can put slight overpressure with our hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring it to the neutral. Then this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring it to the neutral. Then next set of muscle is your anterior neck muscle, that is known as the scalene. For scalene, suppose we want to stretch the scalene of left side, we have to keep our opposite hand just above our collarbone and then extend our neck and rotate towards the opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then bring it to the neutral. Then for the opposite side, extend and then rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then relax. Then for the posterior neck muscles, we have to move your head downwards but not straight but at the 45-degree. That means towards your opposite foot or opposite knee. Like this. And you can put over pressure with your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring it to the neutral. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring it to the neutral. Then we progress to next set of exercise, that is strengthening exercise, also known as neck isometric exercise. These exercises are quite important for patients who are having cervical spondylosis also. So for this we have to resist the motion. For example, we want to do the flexion, neck flexion. Normal जो हमारा motion है इसको हमें resist करना है. So clasp your hand, just place your hand just below your chin and then resist this motion. Hold it for 5 seconds and then relax. Hold it for 5 seconds and then relax. Same way, the back side. Prevent the extension of the neck. Hold it for 5 seconds, then relax. Hold it for 5 seconds and then relax. Then for the side motions, hold it for 5 seconds, then relax. Hold it for 5 seconds and then relax. Hold it for 5 seconds and then relax. So while performing the isometric, make sure that you will not turn your head. If you turn your head, then you will feel dizziness. So these are the 4 set of exercises. If you do every 2 hourly, then they will definitely help you to ease your tension in your neck muscles, and also in the long term they are very beneficial. So with this note, I would like to conclude कि do exercises every 2 hourly so that you can give 100% to your work. Thank you so much. Namaskar. Stay safe.